Good evening, Kavya. Can you send the link in the group, beta? Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Avni. Today was a very big day for me. Sorry, I didn't came to school. Shall we start the class, please? Most of my students are knowing. Knowing or not? I'm making a temple. My smile might be telling you. That's a very different part of me. Making a temple and proudly saying that work started. It's Saraswati, what we called as uh, Raj Shamla. Yes, and yes, so started. Good evening. Small kuti temple making for all my students because Saraswati is goddess of knowledge. Yes, so Raj Shamla is goddess of knowledge, and I want all my students to get best knowledge. Yes. Good evening, Vita. Good evening, everyone. It's congratulations to all my students. These many years, how many students I taught, it's for them, it's for you all. Kuti gift to my students. Before exam, yes. Divya, good morning, beta. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Come get live and we'll start the class. Yes, this is every year before examination. I'm having a habit. I used to go for meditation for 2 to 3 days and pray to deity for my students' best result. Good evening, Nishant. So every day, every year, I'm doing this. All my students, I'm praying to God to give them the best result. This year also, it will come. This time with God, it is coming. Shall we'll start the class, please? That's everyone is having a different way of seeing God. I'm having a different way. Yes, I'm going to pray for all my children for your good career, best result. Yes, I'm going to come. Today only work was there, beta. Now we are going to start the class. Now look here, beta. One question is given. This is NCRT question, and this is asked by CBSE again and again. Ashish, good evening. I don't know you people are live or not. Still now, no, I'm seeing only 9 people live. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm not seeing all the people live. Why? I don't know. Can you check your live button is on or not? It's 5 minutes of the class started. Now we are going to solve some questions. Get ready. Okay. Good evening, beta. All the students tell them to be live now. I'm going to start 2 sessions today. See, understand. Today time was not there. Some work was there so only. But tomorrow definitely we'll be keeping two sessions, so I'm going to keep some sessions extra also. Don't worry about that. Now we are going to start area related to circle. Yes, area related to circle. Two questions of circle chapter is left, that at the time of revision I'm going to teach specifically. Now area related to circle I'm going to teach. Now understand this one. So we are going to do our work. So in area related to circle, some formulas first I am going to teach you. So as we know that what is the meaning of circle here is, when we are drawing a circle, so now you know that a circle will be having a center, and whatever is the distance from this is considered as radius. Okay. Now what is the area of the radius? Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. So area of radius, area of circle. So when somebody will be asking you area of circle, it will become pi r square. Second one is circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. So if somebody will be asking you circumference of circle, it will become 2 pi r. So that's the difference. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, area of circle is pi r square and circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Thank you, Avni, for saying, for liking the class. But okay. So now look here. This is called as area of circle, means when the entire region will be coming under is called as area of circle. What is the meaning of circumference of circle? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay. Now this is about a circle. But when we will talk about half circle, like when we are going to talk about half of a circle, like semicircle, then what will be the area? So if somebody will be asking you, thank you for liking the class, Peter, thank you so much. But look here, this is exactly radius. This section will be coming as radius. Now what is the area of semicircle? So area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Area of semicircle is considered as pi r square by 2. Thank you, Avni. So now area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Understood? Why beta? Because half of area of circle will become, half of area of circle will become area of semicircle. That is the first part. Now second part, what we are going to do, if somebody will ask circumference, now you need to understand, for circumference two things you have to do. When they will be asking circumference, circumference is nothing but the perimeter part. Okay, so perimeter part means you need to take this one, it will become pi r, and then you need to include this section, so pi r plus 2r, pi r plus 2r. Understood? So if they will say circumference in only this region, then it will become pi r only. Understood? So here we are going to do this work. So if somebody will ask that area, circumference of, everyone, please check here. Circumference of semicircle. So it will become, because half of 2 pi r will become pi r. Half of 2 pi r is pi r. So here it will become pi r, and this radius r and this radius r will become 2r. So pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Jivitan, good evening, beta. Pi r plus 2r. I hope all my children are here, but I am seeing some of the names are missing. Okay, so pi r plus 2r is exactly the area, pi r plus 2r, and here area of semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. So this is about semicircle. Now everybody please start focusing into the class what I am taking. Now look here, for some time you need to be silent and focus into the work. This is quadrant. That was a semicircle. Now this is exactly quadrant. Quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. So its area will become what? So if somebody will ask area, so it will become pi r square by 4. This is area of quadrant. And if somebody will ask you area of quadrant, semicircle of quadrant means it will become pi r by 2. That is quadrant circumference. So if somebody will be asking you what is the, yes, what is the circumference of the quadrant. So definitely when total circumference you are taking, it is 2 pi r. When half you are taking, it is pi r. So when you are taking 1/4, so it will become pi r divided by 2. So this part will become pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. So this will become, so this is pi r divided by 2. Understood? Pi r divided by 2. Pi r divided by 2. Okay, so pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. Pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. This is called as quadrant circumference, and this is area, and this is quadrant circumference. So I hope you might have understood this part. So this is exactly the definition. A circle means what? Okay, whenever you will be taking a circle, so it circle center will be equidistant from the locus point. Understood? So definitely it will always be having a common center, and from the center to the circumference the distance will be considered as radius. Okay, so till there we can understand this point. Now we need to understand about concentric circle. Very good. So now look here. Now we are going to understand about the next part. So if somebody will be asking you about area of concentric circle. So what is the definition of concentric circle? Anyone please type what is the meaning of concentric circles. If you can explain me what is the meaning of concentric circles. Come on, go for it. What is the meaning of concentric circles? What is the meaning of concentric circle? Only triangle. Very good. So the first answer is given by same center. Very good. Circle with the same or common center. Very good. So I think Ashwita, concentric circle, only triangle plate. Circle with same center is concentric circle. Same center. So two circle having same center. So circles with same center. Very good. So many circles will be there. More than one to how many circles you are drawing? All the circles will be having a same center, will be will be told as concentric circle. So let's talk about the concentric circle. This is one circle, this is another circle, this is another circle. So all the circles are having the same center is considered as concentric circle. I hope everybody understood. All the circles are having a common center is considered as concentric circle. But here what we are going to do, maximum we will be taking two circles. Okay, now you understand this. So this circle radius we will take small r, this circle radius we will take capital R. Okay, now what is the width of this line? So this line width will be how much? If somebody will ask what is the width of this area, then what answer you are going to say? Width of this area is capital R minus small r. So this is the width. So width of that area is capital R minus small r. I hope you might have understood. So width of that area is considered as capital R minus small r. So this is exactly coming as width. Got it? So now if somebody will be asking you area of this part, then how you are going to find the area of the shaded region? So you need to write area of shaded region is equal to area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. This is exactly going to help you. Area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. Understood? So what is the area of bigger circle? Pi r square. And what is the area of smaller circle? Pi r square. So take pi common. It will become r square minus r square. Note down quickly. Note down quickly. I am seeing only some of the names. I am not seeing all the students. This is too much. This is too much. Most of the students' names are missing from here. Yes. I hope you might have understood. So that means exactly it is called as area. This the area of the shaded region will be equal to area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Okay, got it? Area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. This is exactly coming as area of shaded region. So area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. Yes, that's very important. Area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. That's the main thing. Area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. So this is exactly the area of the enclosed concentric regions are there. Now if somebody will be asking you, so most of the formulas and most of the contents we need to remember. So here most important thing is कि now we will be talking about internal and external touch of a circle. So if two circles are touching externally, then their center, like this is radius r and this is radius r, then it is added. So radius is added. Got it? So if the center, the distance between the center will be added. Always remember. So when two circles are touching externally, then the radius, that is distance, okay, that distance will be exactly added. The distance will be actually added. Okay. So you need to understand that. At that time, we can say that the distance is added. The distance is added. Thank you so much. So distance is added, but when we talk about that they are exactly coming outside some of their radii, yes, it is considered as some of the radii, but one big circle will be there whose radius is capital R, and one small circle will be there. That time we will be subtracting it. That time we are going to subtract it. So one big circle subtracted from the small circle will be there. That time, like, we are going to draw one circle like this from the center part itself. So this is exactly R. Understood? So center distance will be R minus R. In that case, we were writing center distance will be R minus R. In that case, center distance will be difference of the radii. Yes, in that case, it is coming as R minus R. The difference of the radii is coming as R minus R. Difference of radii is coming as how much? R minus R. I hope you might have understood this part. The difference is coming as R minus R. Yes. So difference of the radii that is coming as R minus R. Okay. Everybody understood? Now, you need to understand another important point. Please kindly check this one out. Okay, that is coming as R minus R. Now, we are going to go for the next part. So, if somebody will be asking you next section. So, next section is exactly, if somebody will be asking you number of revolutions. Okay, look here, Imanshu. Number of revolutions, if somebody will be asking you, number of revolutions or number of rotations. So if somebody will be telling you that if a vehicle is moving, see, understand, this is the tire. Got it? Now, most of the time, computer, most of the time, what questions they are asking, I was expecting you, where are you? You, Vishwa, today that I told you, na, you might have saw my status today, that temple work was there. So because of that, I was little busy today. So only class got delayed. Now look at. So the most important part here is if somebody will be asking you about one simple question, and that simple question is, note down, if that simple question is the number of rotations or number of revolutions of a tire. Okay. So number of rotations or number of revolutions of a tire or a wheel, understood, or a circle. So many times they're asking like this, number of revolution of a tire or a circle or a wheel means how many times it is moving. Now first thing, yes, so first thing we need to understand that कि if a tire is there na, this is the tire. Okay, now in this tire if you will put red color in the outer part of the tire, now the tire will rotate. So if the tire will rotate, how much is the circumference? That much red color will put here. Understood? So that means if it will take one round, so if it will take one round it will take. So one round is exactly equal to 2 pi r. Correct, na? So 2 pi r is the length. Understood? Length of the road covered by one round. So one round is what? Circumference. One round is what? Circumference. One round is what? Circumference. You need to remember this. Okay. So good evening, beta. Praveen, good evening. So one round is nothing but circumference. And circumference is equal to 2 pi r. And this 2 pi r is equal to length of the road covered. But length, we are not going to take it as one time only. It is not rotating now. It is rotating many times. It is rotating many times. So how many times it is? This is for one round. Got it? This is for one round. But that means what? This is for one round. We are talking about how many rounds? Only one round. But what if multiple rounds it is taking? What if many rounds it is taking? So when it is taking many rounds, that time what formula we will be doing? This will go down of it. This will go down of it. So number of rotations, number of rotation is equal to, that time length will become distance. Distance covered, number of rotation is equal to distance covered by circumference. In the most shortest way we have written. In the most shortest way we have written. Understood? So this is the most important thing. Sector formula also I am giving. You need to have little patience. I am giving all the formulas. So I hope you might have understood. So if somebody will talk about, what did I say? If one tire is there, I put red color on the tire. The tire rotated one time. So since the tire rotated one time, the red color will came on the road. So this is the length. This is what? Length. So red color came on the road, that is the length. So that means circumference of the circle is equal to length of the road covered in how many rotations? One rotation. But here it is not one rotation, it is multiple rotations are there. Okay, so it is not one rotation, it is multiple. So for number of rotations, what we are going to write? For number of rotations, we are going to write distance covered by circumference. So number of rotations, what we are going to write? Distance covered by circumference. And this is the most simplest way to understand. Okay. Okay, this is exactly what? Distance covered by circumference. So this is one part of the formula. Now we are going to talk about the next section of formula. So the next section of formula, we are going to talk about sector. Okay, so when somebody will be talking about, okay, when somebody will be talking about, okay, so we are going to talk about when somebody will be talking about, so when somebody will be talking about this section, the what we are going to do. So what work we are going to do? We are going to solve the question. Now we are going to understand that what is the sector. Don't disturb and write unwanted things. Sector. So when we are going to talk about sector, like one birthday you are celebrating, okay. So at the time of celebrating the birthday, you bought a circular cake, correct na? So from the center you are making, we have a habit of cutting like this na, triangle. That is the sector. That is what? Sector. So here what we are doing is, so this will become the sector. So this is the cake piece, and from the center you are cutting like this. This is exactly considered as sector. Note down. So this one will become minor sector, and this one will become major sector. Got it? So one part will become minor sector, one part will become major sector. One part will become minor sector. Okay. So definitely one part will be minor sector and one part will be major sector. So what and all work we are going to do, let's check this one out. So one part will be minor sector with the center. Now the angle subtended between, so this will be radius and this will become the radius. So angle subtended between them will become theta. Now theta can be acute angle also, theta can be obtuse angle also. So if this is theta, then this part will become what? This part will become 360 degree minus theta. Done? 360 degree minus theta. So one part will be exactly coming as theta, another part will be 360 minus theta. So this is about sector. So minor sector and major sector. So once we are going to go for minor sector and major sector, the next important work what we are going to do. So our important section is formula. Okay. So minor sector and my major sector we have done. Now let's example we are going to write. I will do only one work. Just wait. First going to so now the next important work we are going to do is we are going to talk about area of sector. So area of sector means one minor sector will be there, one major sector will be there. So when we talk about a minor sector and when we talk about a major sector, at that two particular cases, what work we are doing. Understood? That is very, very important. So here we need to understand a very important part that this will exactly called as arc. This is considered as arc. So this is L. So if you are going to take L, arc. So length of the arc is also we can find. So what is length of the arc? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. And note down this one, theta is acute for minor arc. For minor arc. Understood? So if I am taking for theta, it will be considered for minor arc. If I am taking for theta, it is considered for what? Minor arc. Now, if I am taking for major arc, so at the time I am writing for major arc, length of the arc will become 360 minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. And that time that is bigger arc. Understood or not? So if one is theta, you remember this part. So if one section is coming as theta, another section will become what? 360 minus theta. If one part is coming as theta, second part will become 360 minus theta. So once 360 minus theta is coming, then length of the arc will be there directly influenced. Children, listen everyone who and all are present in the group. Come on, check this one out. So if somebody will be asking you 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta is the remaining angle. 360 minus theta will become the remaining angle. Okay. So here this is most important part and you must remember. So now we are going to do this work. Now let's check this one out. So if I am going to draw a circle and from the center I am going to draw the sector. So these two sectors, this is radius and this is radius. This is acute angle theta. Understood? So we have taken this as length of arc L and we will take this one as length of arc M. Done. So now what is the length of arc L and what is the length of arc M? So L will be equal to theta by 360 2 pi r. This will become the length of arc L. But what about the length of arc M? So it will become 360 minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the work, that is L and M. So one time itself if we will be taking L as minor and another one M as major part. So major arc. So work will be done like that. I hope all the children are listening here. Come on, check this one out. Now we are going to talk about the sector formula for minor sector and major sector. Note down for the minor sector and major sector formula area. and that's the easy section. So if somebody will be asking you now that what is the area of minor sector and what is the area of major sector, so that time we must understand that the sector is one part of the circle. Sector is what? One part of the circle. But one most important section here is the angle what that sector is subtending. So how much angle that part will be, that much angle section of a square. Correct, na? Idiot. That much angle section of a circle is becoming the area of sector. So now need to understand this one. Look here. So only I asked a square or this one. So this is exactly the region. So when this region is there, and in this region this part is exactly there, got it, and this is subtending what angle beta, this is subtending angle theta. So once this angle is subtended angle theta, got it. So now what will be to become the major and the minor section. So this is the only sector here, we will write it as A and B. So total circle is pi r square, but we are see a part of the circle, a part of the circle, a part of the circle. So what we are going to write, area will be exactly equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So how much will be theta? That much will be exactly helping to get us the angle. Now another part, major sector, if somebody will ask you. So major sector will become what? Area. Area of major sector. This is minor sector. Minor where theta is acute. Minor where theta is acute. This major sector when somebody will be asking you. So for major sector when you are going to write, it will become what? 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. So acute angle, how much angle is coming? Minus of that will become area of major sector. So I hope you might have understood area of major sector and area of minor sector. Till here is it okay? Till here, is it clear? Everyone, come on, say. Children, come on, send me the messages. Are you able to send the message? Yeah, I only, because most of the time disturbance is coming, so only I only closed it. I really want to teach for that only. Okay, everyone. So let's go for it. We'll go for the next question. Get ready. Huh? Segment, but segment we will do afterwards. First formula of segment we will do afterwards. Let's start solving the question and start giving the answers, because most of the time if I'm in a teaching mood already, today late is there, and in between unwanted messages seeing means getting angry. Some children are totally focused towards study. Just check you are live or not, and you can send me the answer personally. All the children, you can send me the answer personally. Okay, take a screenshot and send me the answer. That you can do. Okay, all of you, can you do it? Just thumbs up sign you can put, sign you can put. Are you understanding? Sign you can put better. You can put the sign that yes, you can send. So now look here. First question, get ready everyone. Question is, find the radius of a circle. Find the radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. So what you have to find? Radius of a circle. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference, find the radius of a circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumferences, is equal to the sum of the circumferences, is equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles, of radii 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and your time starts now. Come on, go for it. Come on, everyone, you can do it. Give me personal answers, beta, no problem. Did you solve the answer? Come on, check this one out. Are you able to answer, beta? Message is not going because of some idiots only. I got irritated. Is it done? Come on, we'll start. So if the radius of a circle, find the radius of a circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference. So one circle is there, its radius we have to find. We have to find the radius of this circle. Understood. We have to find the radius of this circle. Let the radius of this circle is r. And the circumference of this circle is equal to the circumference of two circles whose radius is 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. I hope you might have understood. Got it? So we can write like that. We have to find the radius of the bigger circle. Got it? So circumference of this circle whose radius is r, circumference of circle with radius r. So circumference of a circle with center O double dash and radius r is equal to circumference of circle having radius having r is equal to 15 centimeter plus circumference of circle having radius is equal to 8 centimeter. So now we are in the line to do the work. So this part will become what? Radius part we have written. R, we can write R dash or any other thing. Okay, R double dash, anything we can write because all the radiuses are not same. So it will become 2 pi R is equal to 2 pi into radius is 15 plus 2 pi into radius is 8. So here 2 pi take common into r. So here 2 pi will take common 15 plus 8. So 2 pi and 2 pi will get cancelled. R is equal to how much it is coming? 8, 23 r. So 23. So radius of the bigger circle is coming as how much beta? 23 centimeter. Anybody got the answer? Please kindly. Come on, children. Are you all ready? No answers I received till now. Done everyone. You can put 100%. How many 100% I will see means I'll understand that you people have solved. Just because of some very intelligent people, I have just did like that today. Already I am in not different mood. Very good, very good. Are you all live? Check your live button, beta. Super. Very good. So come on, do it. Yep. Hmm. So shall we go for the next question, please? Come on, check this one out. Shall we go for the next question? We'll go for the next question. Next question is find the circumference and area of circle. Find the circumference. Find the circumference and area of circle whose radius is given as, write down, whose radius is given as 8.4 centimeter. And your time starts now. Come on, start solving the question. Is it done? Come on. What is the answer? Circumference. Everyone, please give the answer. Come on. Give me the answer fast as possible. Give me the answer. 52.8. Correct only, Maha. The answer is absolutely correct. The circumference is coming as 52.8. Super. So now better look here how we have to solve the question. So area section, if somebody will ask, so if this is the circle, the radius given is 8.4 centimeter. So radius is given as 8.4 centimeter. So area will be what, beta? Area will be pi r square. That is 22 by 7 into 8.4 into 8.4. So this one will become 1.2. So 22 into 1.2 into 8.4 is coming. Okay. So we need to multiply. So this is about the area. So 22 is there and 1.2 is there. How much it is coming? It is 22186. Yes. So how much it is coming? 76 or 86? 76. Yes. 221.76 square centimeter. So 221.76 square centimeter, we got the area. 221.76. Got it? Absolutely correct. Jasmita, the correct answer is 221.76 square centimeter. Absolutely correct, beta. Now we will be going for the next one. So once next part we are going to do circumference, they asked. So if they will be asking the circumference, what is the formula for the circumference? So when you are going for circumference, circumference is 2 pi r. So it will become 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 8.4. That is 1.2. Correct? So it is coming as 44 into 1.2. 44 into 1.2. 52.8 centimeter. Absolutely. The correct answer there, it is coming as 52.8 centimeter. That section and this section we have solved the question. Now we will go for the next part. Yes. Done. So now we are going to go for the next question. Get ready, beta. Now we are going to solve the next question. The moment you are solving the question in mobile, I am seeing the chats. So don't worry, I'm seeing who and all have solved the question. 52.8 centimeter. Ashwita, answer is absolutely correct, beta. Yes. Yes, answer is absolutely correct. Now we'll go for the next one. Shall we start the next question, please? So now look here, we'll go for the next question. Question is, note down. Find the diameter of the circle. You need to find the diameter. So find the diameter of the circle. What you need to find? Find the diameter of the circle. Himanshu, focus kar kaam pe please. Hmm? So find the diameter of the circle whose area is find the diameter of the circle whose area is equal to the sum of the whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of two circle. Whose area is equal to sum of the areas of the two circles of diameter. So diameter of the two circles given is how much, beta? Diameter of the two circles are 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. Come on, go for it. Thank you for liking the class, students, and please focus into your work. Don't see chats and all this. When you were exactly going for the solving section, that time you just type and send the answer. Okay. So now let's go for the work, beta. Shall we start our work? Vishwa is there. Both the Vishwas are there. Vishwa 1, Vishwa 2. Yes, Avni. Can you focus in the work, beta? Yes. Okay, Vishwa. Vishwa, send the answer as fast as possible, beta. Okay. Now let's see. So the diameter of the circle, we need to find the diameter of the bigger circle. So here, what is the most important work is diameter of the bigger circle we need to find. So, but we need to, for solving, we need to find the radius. So here, this is one bigger circle. So area of circle with radius r will be equal to area of circle of two different radius. So here diameter of this part is given as how much? The diameter D1 is given as 20 centimeter. So its radius will become 10 centimeter. Got it? So radius will become this much part. So radius will become this much. Now here radius will become, when diameter is given as 48 centimeter, so radius will be coming as 24 centimeter. Done. Hmm? Now here radius is taken as r. So this is the work we are going to do. Now beta, what next we are going to do? Area. So area of the circle whose area is equal to sum of the areas of the two circle. So this circle area will be pi r square is equal to this area circle is pi r1 square, and here it will become pi r2 square. So first work beta, we will take r pi common and cancel. So r1 square plus r2 square. So r square is equal to 10 square plus 24 square. Done. Now r will be equal to root under 100 plus 576. So it is coming as 676. 26. So here it is coming as 26 centimeter. So diameter will be 26 into 2, that is 52 centimeter. Done. Anybody got the answer? Let's see. So answer is 52. Very good. The first answer was given by Vishwa. Second is okay, Vendan. Third is Kritika. After that, Avni. Okay. Very good. I'm getting your answers, Peter. Now let's see. Let's solve the next question, Peter. This one done, everyone? Yes, Maha, I'm seeing your. I saw your thing. Yeah, definitely. We'll go for the next one. Okay, I moved, Beta. Note down this one. When then note down. Done, Beta. Kritika also send the answer. Very good. Shall we go for the next question, Beta? The next question is the area of circular playground. The area of circular playground. Okay, the area of circular playground is 22,176 square meter. So, beta, the area of circular playground is already given. With the help of the area, what we are going to find is radius. Okay. After that, they are telling find the cost of fencing. Find the cost of fencing. Find the cost of fencing the ground. The rate at the rate at the rate of rupees 50 per meter. Okay. Now, beta, in this question, what you need to do? The most important work here is from the area of the circle because fencing you are going to do on the outer part of the circle now. So, whatever fencing you are going to put, you are going to put the fencing on the outer part of the circle. Okay. So, that means whatever fencing you are going to apply, you are going to apply. But they have given the area. Area is the area of the region. So, what we are going to do? With the help of the area, what work we are going to do? So first with the help of the area, because area given to you is 22,176 square meter. So we will find the radius. So 22,176 is equal to pi r square. So 22,176 is equal to 22 by 7 into r square. So what work we will do? We will first find radius. 22,176 into 7 by 22 is equal to r square. So here it is 11. Now 1, 1, then 1 will come, so 0. 2, 8 just 16, 2, 8 just 16. Here 11, 1s are 11. Now 0 will come. Understood? And then once 0 you are writing, because 11, again 1 0 you are going to put, because here when you are writing 11, It is coming 11088. So you will write 1 times means 11. Now 0 came. So it is not going to work. So you are going to put 0. So 8 will come. Got it? Again nothing can come. So 0, then another 8 will come. And then you are going to put 8. Understood? So here it will come 1008 into 7. So it is coming as how much? It is going to come as, got it? So it is going to come as how much? It is going to come as r square is equal to 1008 into 7. Correct? So 1008, first we will cancel with 2, 2 5s are 10, 0, 4. Now 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2. Then here it is coming as 63. Then 7 nines are 63 and 3 3. So we got the factor. So r will be equal to root under 7, and this one will come as into 7 into 3 into 3. How many times 2 is coming? 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So definitely this many times is coming. So radius is coming as 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. So radius is coming as 21 into 4. It is coming as 84 centimeter. So radius part is coming as 84 centimeter. So once you are getting radius as 84 centimeter, now what work we are going to do? Once you are getting radius as 84 centimeter, we need to find the circumference. So how to get the circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So it will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 84. Solve it. So it is coming as 12. So 44 into 12 you will do. You will get the circumference. So once you are getting the circumference, it is coming as 528 centimeter. So this is the total circumference, and they told that the cost of fencing the circumference is rupees 50 per meter. Understood? So 1 meter fencing cost is 1 meter fencing cost is rupees 50. So 528 meter fencing cost will become rupees 50 into 528. So it is coming as rupees 0, 5 8 40, 5 to 10 plus 4 14, 5 5 25, 26. So it is 26400. How much answer is coming? 26,400 rupees. The correct answer is coming as 26,400 rupees. I hope everybody might have understood. Hi Shashwat. So this is coming as, yes beta, 26,400 rupees. So this is the correct answer you are getting. So 26,000. So first work what we have done, they have given us area. With the help of the area, we got the radius. Okay. So once you got the radius as 84 centimeter, because fencing you are going to do around the part. So once around the part fencing you are doing, so that will be exactly needing circumference, the perimeter side. So circumference is 2 pi r. So there you are putting radius and you are getting the total circumference area. And once you are getting the total circumference area, absolutely correct Kritika. So once you have written this much part, then only you have to solve it and you get the answer as 26,400 rupees. So I hope you might have understood this one. So I'm going to keep the session till here, children. I hope you have, because all the formulas till sectors we have done. So next class we are going to do some more complex questions, because now, okay, so more complex questions we are going to solve. So I hope everybody might have understood how and all you have to solve these questions. This was just the preliminary sections. So we have done. Thank you, Maha, Kritika. Thank you all the children to join the sessions. Thank you so much for liking the class. And with our next class, we are going to solve more questions. In between, some disturbance were there. Because of that little bit, I got angry because I was in a mood to teach today. Thank you so much, Pita. Yeah, no problem. We'll do it. Thank you so much. Yes, Avni. Avni, we will meet in what you call pedagogy class, beta. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, Avni. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone. Another class here. Yes, in between disturbances coming, Ruchi, what to do? But these are important questions for seated examinations also. Yes. So, okay. Bye, beta. Tomorrow morning physics class is there. Tomorrow morning physics class is there. Don't forget, tomorrow morning physics class is there. Numerical class is there. So please don't forget to join tomorrow session. Huh? Bye, beta. Bye, everyone.